Welcome to our tutorial on update holders. We're going to right-click on our assembly, and as one of our contextual menu choices, we see Show Update Holders. You see that this feature appears right here in the specification tree. We also see what this feature refers to, Sketch 1 in Seal. If I expand the Seal branch, let me expand Extrude 1 also. Here is Sketch 1. This is basically another way to see where your external references are in your assembly. The same feature also appears under Mates. If I right-click and select List External References, the External References dialog window for Sketch 1 opens. We reviewed this window in a previous tutorial on external references, so we'll cancel out of that for now. Since we've only got one feature in our assembly that contains an external reference, we've only got one update holder feature. We can also hide the update holder feature. Simply right-click on our assembly and select Hide Update Holders. And this concludes our tutorial on update holders.